What if I told you that a tiny choice you make in your own backyard follows the exact same pattern as a huge movement that can change the fate of an entire nation? Sounds kind of wild, right? Well, today we're going to dig into that powerful connection. All right, let's start with a really simple question. Think about all that stuff you throw out every day. Your coffee grounds, the apple cores, all those leaves in the yard. We just call it trash, right? But what if? What if it was actually treasure in disguise? Well, the answer is it absolutely can be. See, through a really simple and they transform it into this amazing, nutrient-packed superfood for your soil. Now I know this might sound kind of complicated, but trust me, it's surprisingly simple. We're gonna break it all down into a super easy 7-step quick start guide. All right, first things first, location, location, location. You just need a spot that's got a little shade, but not too much, and get some decent airflow. See? Easy enough? Okay, next up, you gotta build your foundation. A layer of twigs or straw at the bottom is absolutely key. This is all about drainage. Composting isn't just about making less trash. It's a perfect model for grassroots problem solving. It's about using what you have right where you are to create something totally new and incredibly valuable. Okay, now let's take that idea and completely different, but the principle, it's identical. It's about taking local resources, applying human ingenuity, and creating something that enriches the very ground you stand on.
So why does any of this matter? Well, whether we're talking about a small compost pile or a huge national agricultural movement, this kind of grassroots approach has a truly universal and profound impact.
And the benefits just create this amazing, powerful cycle. I mean, it improves soil health, it cuts down on waste, and it builds resilience to change. But, maybe the most important thing is that it empowers people. It helps create these communities where